Hey, this is me at the beginning of this video. Me, my dirty me. I'm on the shore, okay? Oh, sorry. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Cyra Lys on all my social media, Snapchat, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. If you like this video, don't forget to give this a thumbs up, to comment and to share, and to come back to this channel, okay? Thank you. Yes, as I say, this is me at the beginning of this video, my dirty me. I will try to be a video like I see on YouTube, from this girl to a post bad cutie Instagram girl. This will be a challenge. Yeah, to be from the dirty nerd to a Instagram girl. Okay, this will be a challenge, but for this challenge I'm gonna challenge three other Haitian YouTubers. There will be Lissa's Makeup, Drole the Steph, and Nanoue. No, I am Nanoue. Yes, these three girls, Lissa's Makeup, Drole the Steph. I know this true girl is makeup professional, and I am Nanoue and me. We are not beginning. We are not student. We are just us. So yes, I challenge these three girls to do this challenge like from to a bad bitch. Okay, I try to twerk, but oh, it's a bad trick. So I'm on the shower. I'm gonna take a quick shower. It's cold. I'm gonna take a quick shower, remove some body hair, body hair, and after I'm gonna try to make a body makeup. So I will see you on my vanity desk. Yes. Okay, I'm back after 2 hours because I was hungry and my mom do some rice, white rice and beans. So delicious. Yeah, now I'm gonna do my nails. Yes, this one broke up. So we're gonna just change this because this is my real nails. Yes, this is real. Nails are done. They're horrible, but they are done. When you look at like this, I'm more, girly, but when you, oh my god, what did I do? What did I do? Okay, I let them dry a little bit, like 20 minutes, and I will be back for my makeup. So I'm gonna watch some video. Or dry now, I think. So let's do the makeup. I moisture my face with my Face. Maybe I will put the link for you on my description box, but this is my Face Infinito. The packaging is much better. It's cuter than the Pounds, but the Pounds, it's my baby boo of moisturizer. So we're gonna do a nude makeup or pretty natural makeup. Don't forget the neck. I'm for my eyebrows. So we're gonna use my Glimmer Stick Avon Soft Black B01 and my brush. So let me take my mirror, pencil today. Using my Pro Concealer. It's the Toffee. I'm gonna use the Toffee. very more better. Now, water in my beauty blender. I wet my my sponge a little bit. I'm gonna use my Sky 05 and my Torfy, I think. No, my Espresso foundation. It's a mix. Normally I should mix the two before I put it on my face, but not today. And we use the same concealer. I think it's too much. The same. Contour. I'm gonna contour my face using my Sky contouring. Where is my brush? I have a brush for this. Before contouring, I'm gonna use my Johnson powder, my baby Johnson powder for baking. I don't have money for buy a Laura Mercier. So you use the trick of 2017 or 2016 or since Jesus Christ. It's baking, and I found my brush, my contouring brush, and we're gonna use this one and apply here. Try to make a lot of things to look like an Instagram body. Bad idea. Ooh. Oh. No more potato face. Nerves too. Oh my god. Okay, now we're gonna use my I Love Matte palette. Almost done. We're gonna use this orange. Not a orange, like a brick. The wall color. After that, I take my Amuse highlight and use one of the shade I like, and I put it. So beautiful. we're gonna attempt a fake eyelash. This is Jean from the Steph boutique. If you are not new on my channel, I think you know I never succeed a lash extension, false eyes. Let's try. After 10 times attempt to put my lashes correctly, now I'm gonna add some eyeshadow under my eye for more definition. Oh my god, it's so hard to put false lashes. Very hard. I don't know. How do you doing? It's hard. It's like give birth to a baby lashes. Yeah. I'm so white. Like a white face. Not black face. White face. I'm using blush. Find the stars with the highlight. Mamma mia. Please help me. Oh my god. A little bit too much. That's so beautiful. Beautiful. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh no! Nude lips. Today. Where's my man? Now it's hair time. I have more than 20 mini braids in my hair. Oh my god. I'm like Medusa. So let's unbraiding this hair for our big poof curly hair. Let's go. I switch my shirt, not my shirt, for this Hollister 22, and I'm gonna put some earrings, natural earrings. Oh, much better, much beautiful, much cuter. Let's give to this crown some volume. Much better. Do you see that? I can slay. I slay. Where is my man? I slay. Oh, slow motion. I'm yummy. This is it. I have a bad quality camera. My front camera on my phone is a very low quality. Sorry, but trust me, this makeup is bomb. My hairstyles is more voluminous than the camera show you. This is a lie. So, if you like this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, to comment, to share, and if you're not already subscribed, sorry, please do this right now, and don't forget to active the notification button to be part of the LYSFAMILY gang, because this gang is lit and they know how to speak English. Brave! Don't forget, I challenge all the stuff. I am Nanoue and Lyssa's. I know, but by the way, my hair. Oh my god, my hair slay. This bread out slay. Yuppie! I feel good. So I love you so much. I miss you, gang. I'll be back on another video. Bye bye. I'm hot.